If you want to build a house, first you'll need a blueprint. The same can be said for an e-learning project. Having a set plan and goals are the key to success on any project, including your new e-learning course. A plan helps you organize and track each element of your course and will ensure that you and other members of your team are all on the same page. Project scope, schedule, resources, budget, and target audience should all be on your mind. What are your goals for the course? When do you want it ready? Who is responsible for each task? E-learning course development is certainly daunting, and projects like these can take months to produce. Taking the time to properly plan and prepare will not only help you meet your established goals, but will help you avoid going over set deadlines and over budget. Ready for us to walk you through the project planning process? Click the link below to your training base and check out our How to Create an Online Course Masterclass.